We're at the legendary Gunsite Training Academy to take a look at what's new from Colt firearms. The one that everyone's talking about is a rifle, and it's not an AR, it's a bolt action. New from Colt, the CBX. It's a bolt gun. Not what you'd expect to see, is it? Well, it's also a chassis gun. This is an MDT chassis. It comes in 308 or 6.5. Has a 60-degree bolt throw on it, which is gonna make it faster to run. You can see I was running it pretty fast for a left-handed shooter shooting a right-handed gun. It's also gonna stay out of the way of optics. And as the optics get bigger and chunkier, that's gonna be helpful so you can mount a lot of different optics on there. It also has a flat bottom to the receiver. And that's gonna add rigidity, gonna help with accuracy. Also, detachable box magazine. This comes with Magpul ACIS mags. I like the adjustability on the stock. This is a stock that Colt worked with MDT on to kind of customize what they wanted it to be. And so far, pretty accurate, and I like the trigger on this one. This is kind of what we're expecting from the modern precision bolt gun world these days. And this is the new one from Colt, the CBX.
Colt added to the Python line with a 3-inch Python this year. Same gorgeous stainless steel gun with a delightful double action trigger pull in 357 mag and 38 special, but now in a slightly shorter, more carry-friendly length. I had to shoot the new King Cobra Target in 22 long rifle. 10-shot cylinder, solid billet barrel, recessed crown, comes in 4-inch and 6-inch barrels. What a fun gun. The fancy stainless steel got a little dirty with the 22 ammo, but still cleans up nice. If you don't have a full-size revolver in 22, please fix yourself. Come on, you won't regret it. Colt did introduce a 4-inch Anaconda, which would be great for a woods carry option. 44 mag or 44 special, you better hang on to this one. However, I didn't get to shoot it. Thanks, ammo scarcity. Colt ARs are still considered quality, and the newest one is the CM556. The big deal about this gun is that the rail mounts separately from the barrel. As Colt puts it, now it is truly a free-floated barrel. I gotta thank Colt and Gunsite for having us out to see what's new with Colt and use the amazing training facility out there in northern Arizona. It's good to see such a legendary brand doing new, exciting things.